What is up, guys, and welcome back to Bro Builds. We're excited to finally be back and giving you guys more content. Today we want to give you guys a couple of updates on both of our project cars so you guys know what's going on. On the Skyline, the first thing we want to do is finish up the front suspension. Finishing the front suspension would let us put the wheels back on and let us roll it to a shop or to a trailer, wherever we need to take the car. Second, we're going to keep the original wheels it had. These are unique and antique. These are original Bell-side Andrew V Racing wheels. So you guys can see right there, maybe. And they're pretty banged up, so we're gonna send them out to a shop. But as you guys can see, we might need to replace this barrel in the back. We wanna get them sanded down and polished, and I think that's gonna give them a very nice look, especially on this black Skyline. Third, the engine. We wanna hear the car run. In order for us to do so, we gotta change the injectors, get a fuel regulator, and get the ECU. With those three components, we should be able to get the car started. And we wanna get it started because we wanna hear the car run. That's the main reason we got this car. Miata. For the Miata, we're gonna keep it nice and simple. We're gonna start off with some nice wheels and a nice top. That top's ripped up, so we don't want any rain getting in the car, and we wanna keep it nice. That's it for now, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for our next videos. Every week we're gonna be uploading one. We're excited to be back, and stay tuned. Peace.